Hello, food lovers, and happy new year. I hope 2026 is already bringing you joy and new opportunities. Today, I'm starting the year with a simple, quick, and affordable breakfast, just one egg, some bread, and a few veggies. Let's make the filling meal together, perfect for busy mornings or anyone cooking on a budget. Let's go. Bread is already cut into smaller pieces. And then we have our grated carrots, we have a hoho, that is capsicum, and a little bit of onions. And we have our egg, one egg. We are going to add our grated carrot, our onion, and capsicum, that is our hoho. Combine everything. We're going to mix it vizuri. Going to add in a pinch of salt for taste. Black pepper or any leftover veggies, if available, it's still okay. Everything, and you see that is how it looks. Gently, everything is coated. We need to heat our pan, medium heat, and then you're going to add in a little bit of oil, just enough to cook. Yeah. We are going to pour the mixture into the pan and spread it slightly. So make sure you cook while stirring or turning gently until the egg is fully cooked and the bread is lightly golden, So we didn't use too much egg so that, the bread doesn't become soggy. So one egg is enough. And plus, these are just 2 slices of bread. And so let's make our ginger tea. Of course, the tea leaves already have ginger in it, so we're just going to add in the tea leaves, and then 2 spoons of sugar is enough. There you have it. One egg, a little bread, some veggies, and breakfast is done. Quick, cheap, and oh, so tasty. If you try this at home, drop a comment and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple meals you can make anytime. Let's make 2026 delicious, easy, and full of good food. See you in the next one. Bye.